Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to talk about how to customize the kind of the quick access folders that you have in the Start menu. So if you look at the Start menu, on the left side you have your avatar, your account information, but below it there's a series of icons, documents, pictures, File Explorer, I got settings, and of course the power button. Now you can customize what you want to see there. And to do so, you need to go to All Settings, go into Personalization, and go into Start. At the bottom it says choose which folders appear on Start. And when you click here, you'll see that you can actually choose which ones you want. So I got File Explorer, Settings, and Documents. And basically, just to give you an idea, if I actually switch all of this off, you could see that there's nothing except my account information or my account avatar and my power button, but you can add all the ones that you want. So for me, File Explorer is a must, settings is a good one, documents, downloads, pictures, videos, I think that's pretty nice, and for the rest that's okay. One is personal folder, which I wonder what that is. Personal folder is probably let's just check it out here. So what do we have here? Downloads, pictures, videos. Personal folder brings us to just a user, the basic user folder of when you want to go to your user folder accounts and stuff like that on your hard drive. So that's your personal folder. I don't need that really. So you just choose which ones you want to have and which ones you don't. And after that, well, you got quick access to all of that. Just by going to the Start menu, you have access to these folders. Instead of always going, to the File Explorer and from the File Explorer going to check out all of that, all the folders you want, or try to find the things you want. At least here you got a really quick access to all the different folders that you wish to have on your PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.